You never know. With the amount of money I'm about to get, I could probably buy this whole building easily. Easily. Hey, guess what? Pazuzu came, Michael. I told him to leave. I need to... Ebzadma, Satan. All the demons are fucking dead. Oh, please come kill me. Oh, please, I'll fucking destroy you before you even get in the door. I will. I'm not even kidding. I will destroy you if you come near me. And I don't even say that as a threat. It's like I'm way stronger than every single one of you, so don't even try it. Ever. Dude, honestly, I'll take on Islam. I don't even care. You think I'm gonna back down to anybody at this point? No, I'm gonna triple down. Urukranai. Urukranai! You guys are a bunch of pussies, and that's why I'm king, is because you're all a bunch of fucking pussies. Why don't you just say, hey, don't break the law, sue him. Get a job. I hope it does. I hope it does. Because it's seriously been getting ready to burst. Cause I'm calling you like an asteroid. Tell your friends to get paranoid. Pulling straight through your orbit. Crashing through your heart. There's no need for you to put your guard up. I speak more than any of you. The Torah, Hebrew, whatever. Stop claiming it. Just word. You didn't make it, you fucking dumb fuck. Don't tell me anything about anything. Bunch of snakes. Pumpkins. But like, you make what? But what do you mean? What do you mean I didn't make it? What do you mean? What? But what do you mean I didn't make it? What do you mean? I don't like that language. I didn't make anything. I didn't make anything. Shut up. I didn't say I did anything. Shut up. Why do I always get fucking shit on? What the fuck's an amicus brief? Oh, is it? What is an amicus brief exactly? Amicus brief. So it's a briefing that says, like, what it is like. Abacus is like a calculator, so they'll calculate and they'll put it in a document, right? No, cuss. Amicus is not friend. No, it's not. Amicus means. It means my friend that I curse, basically. It means like. Do you know what I mean? That's what it means. It doesn't mean friend. It means my friend that I say this. I curse. It's not true. That's not true. There's no way amicus is Latin for friend. If it is, it's a lie. Atticus Finch. Atticus is accounting. He's accountable. And he's a bird, so he's looking all around.